Hey YouTube, this is Do It Yourself Toys. I haven't put up a video in a while. I've been making lots of fun toys for the kids, but it's hard as I'm homeschooling now, taking care of the kids, taking care of the house, and building stuff at night. I just really didn't have a lot of time to make videos, but here's something I think you guys might like. I made a 12-inch Mandalorian action figure, fully posable, and I'm going to kind of move around here a little bit. Mostly everything you see here, besides the action figure itself, and a couple of custom 3D printed objects here, were custom made by me. Like, you couldn't get that strap across his chest or the belt, the right backpack there, the right jetpack, the flames that come out of the jetpack. You can buy, like I found this little guy here. So he's a 3D printed little Grogu guy that goes with the Mandalorian, and I have another Mandalorian that goes in the pod. So I bought the pod. I found something that's just the right size for the scale. But everything else you see on this action figure, I had to put together and figure out how to make this 12-inch, including removable helmet with Din Jarin. Let me give you a little zoom in here on the gear. He's got the strap with those silver bullet type shell things across his chest. If you look at the movie and you check out his belt, his gun belt, this looks just like the gun belt. These pouches here come off. Let me get it here. These come off. And then on the side, I mounted those small little silver bombs that he had in the movie that he put all over the place. Let me raise his arm up and I'll show you. So I got bombs on his side. Got the silver plates all the way around. I got the unfinished plate there. I got the other bandolier that goes around his leg. I made that. Got the right knee pads with the shooter on the side. Everything about him, down to the gloves, everything is just like the movie. I took hundreds of pictures of the Mandalorian from the movie and made a removable helmet 12-inch action figure. He's got his cape, and I pulled too hard on his arm. Hold on a minute. They do pop off and you can interchange hands and such, but for right now I'm just going to pop that on. Alright, his jetpack here, Velcro's on the back, and he has the jetpack with flame. The flame is removable. Okay, get my strap out of the way. Sorry guys, trying to do all this one-handed. Custom made that holster. There's his gun. Custom cut this gun from another gun, another Star Wars type gun. Custom cut it to the right shape, the right color. That slides right in, looks perfect in his side. Then I custom made his blaster rifle from 3 different rifles. And looks just like the movie. Again, took tons of pictures of his gun and hand carved it. Hand carved a lot of that gun just to make that work. We made a bag that goes with it because the baby Grogu there goes in the bag on the side sometimes. There's that tentacle type meal the baby was eating, and the cookie. And that came with the pod. So that kind of just wraps up the whole ensemble here. So we got Din Jarin and his arm that just... I cannot do the video and snap his arm in at the same time. I'm sorry, guys. You have to push really hard and it pops in place. I just took it off recently. I guess I didn't put it on hard enough. Anyway, he does work. So everything's custom done. Everything, the wraps around his legs, up to the top. So I've gotten into some more high-end builds now with my home stuff here with the kids. I'm working with my older kids now, and they're just loving this because they said, you know, can we make a Mandalorian? I'm like, well, okay. I'll see if we can give it a try. And it turned out really good. I think he's pretty awesome. He's posable. You could stand him up. I love that you could take the helmet off of him because any other 12-inch action figure I've seen, they do not have a removable helmet. So this gives you the option of having him show Din Djarin's face like it is. and the armor is removable. Everything comes off of him. These are Velcroed on, so they can come off. Everything you can take off him just like a regular 12-inch action figure. So it worked out really cool. We have real authentic flame here. Oh, I did not show you. That's kind of fun. The flame here is what shoots out of his flamethrower. I don't know if I can do that one-handed either. I'm trying here, guys. Give me 1 second. I'm going to point this right in this direction. And I'm going to put his arm on. Pop that in place. And I'm going to put the flame on his arm. Come on. Gotta get the right angle. There you go. So, we're going to take that on the back. So as you see, all right, I'm back in action. Here we go. There's the Mandalorian, and he's shooting his flamethrower. Stand with this so it's not so bright. There, he's shooting the flame off of his arm there. And you can see he's got the bombs on his side. He's got the right plates, the right belt, the right gun belt there on the side, the right holster. His emblem on the shoulder. I thought out everything. I took pictures of every angle, every time I could get a clear shot of him. And I figured out what the knees should look like, what these knee pads should look like, what this should look like around the leg. Trying to mount this on the leg was not an easy task. I got that all done. I had 2 extra bombs for him. And, let's see, in the bag, I think I showed you the bag already. So I think this is a really fun set, and we're considering, since this is a one-of-a-kind, maybe throwing it on eBay and seeing if I can get a fair price for it after all the work I put into it, because this is a one-of-a-kind. And let me see if I can get him to stand. Like, there you go. And I think the pod is just the right size for him. It's definitely pretty cool. Here, with this set, you get either the walking baby next to him or the baby in the pod. You get both. So that's why you can do a little more things with them, pose them a little better on your shelf. Or if you feel, like you want to play with it, have some fun. But he's pretty awesome. It's been hard trying to look and scour through eBay to try to find all the parts that I think might work for the size and scale. And I bought some things and they just didn't work right. I bought other things, they were just right, and then I had to custom build something else to go with that set. So this has been a labor of love, and this has taken roughly 2 to 3 months in spare time, maybe a couple hours a week to work on something. Maybe I'd work on the gun for a week, the rifle, then another week working on some armor, then another week working on the belt that goes across his chest. Just a little time. So I would say I have a ton of hours in this just to make this look right. And as I said, I've documented like every inch of his body to make sure it looks just like the movie. So you could have some fun, go online and compare my guy to what it looks like in the movie, especially during like the new Boba Fett series. This guy just turned out really good. And I just wanted to show you guys my handiwork. I'm going to start doing some more videos and getting back online, doing some stuff. It has been crazy busy for me getting side jobs in here. I've actually been laid off since April 2020, because when COVID hit, the company I was at got rid of people. I was one of the first guys to go, and then we sat around waiting and honkering down because of COVID. So I started building some fun things, but have a ton of stuff to show you. I just haven't done any videos yet. So I'll do a couple of videos, and start getting my channel back online and have some more fun out there. And I'll give you guys some more ideas on what you can build. Now, I mean, this looks like something you buy in a store, so you can do this just a little at a time. A little bit of painting here and there. Get the right paint. If you're going to paint on any plastic, you need a really good primer and sealer for the paint so it won't scratch or chip off. And it's just a labor of love and a lot of trial and error. I've probably spent $100 on this thing that I threw away that just didn't work out. So sometimes you're going to make some mistakes, but to get a once in a lifetime toy like this, you're going to have to spend a little time and a little effort and research and stuff out. This has been a lot of fun. Wait till you see the Boba Fett I'm making. That's next up. That should be done this week. And the next thing we're going to be making is Fennec. What's her name? Fennec. I can't think of her name. That's also in the works. That's the new girl that is the right hand man to the Boba Fett. Fennec Shea is her name. I can't remember. That's the next video I'm going to do, the next action figure I'm going to do. So I got 3 I'm working on. This one just got done. The next one's going to be Boba Fett. I'm going to wrap that one up within the week. Then after that, it's Fennec. I'll move over and you'll see all 3 and you'll be like, oh, that's awesome. My kids are loving this. So I'll keep you up to date and I'll show you some of the other things I've been building. Talk to you later. Have a great day and God bless you. And one more wrap around. Check out his girl. Let me zoom in a little bit here. Sorry, it's a little bright. Let me move this guy over here and do some zoom in. And just check it out. There's even a little pouch area there to put stuff in. Ah, look up the fire. One more zoom in. So I hope you like it. Give me some thumbs up. Check it out. Let me know what you think. If you have any ideas or any other action figures you think I should be making, let me know about it. And we'll see what we can do. Oh, look, poor Grogu. Look, spin him around. And there's Grogu, the backpack, the bombs, the flame, the gun, his pouch, all this. You got the whole movie right here. Who needs Disney? All right, God bless you guys. Have a good one. I'll talk to you soon. Bye.